Abundant Florals is a beautiful paper pack. There are 12 sheets of 12 by 12 papers. The insert is going to give you some ideas for using these beautiful papers, as well as some things that coordinate with it, but I'm about to show you the same thing. And let me show you each of these papers. They are double-sided, and I'm just going to show you one side to begin with. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. So you can see the flowers, abundant flowers. That's why we named it. You can see just a wealth of beautiful flowers. So the purples, the teals, there you go with some brown in the background. And then, isn't that gorgeous? And if you are a card maker, you know that you can get 4 cards out of every single sheet, as well as scrapbooking. There are 30 cutouts on this sheet, some with greetings, some with images, and I'll show you a way to use them. On the back side, let me show you. So we have the green, the teal looking, that ivory, just beautiful. And we're going into the purples, as well as more of the greens, lighter shade this time. And there's a texture going on, a texture looking, and then we have this all over pattern. So just a beautiful collection of lights and darks, perfect for your card making needs. Now, to go with this, we've also done some chipboard, and this is swirls. There are 9 swirls here, and they are just so useful. So they'll go with abundant, but they'll go with anything, as you can imagine. Again, there'll be a project on the back of it because this is hot off the press. And also to coordinate, we have selected from 49th and Market their violet colored Country Blooms, the smoke colored, isn't that gorgeous? And then the cloud, which also works beautifully. In addition to those, we also have ribbons, so we can go into the purple collection as well as the white collection, and you could do the ivory if you chose. So lots of coordinating elements, which is so much fun. It just makes it so much more useful. And then we also have some things to show you. So there is a scrapbook page, and look at that floral piece that was cut out and put upon another of the sheets. There is our chipboard that's been inked. And there's one of those greetings, the flowers on there, some jute twine if you like that. Here is a card, just really pretty. Again, using those cutouts and some torn papers, cutting out those abundant florals that just to add beauty to that. And here is another card, again, using just a quarter of that paper. And just lovely. You can see this is with the gold and silver ribbons. Now here is a 3D frame, and again you can see how the chipboard just adds such a beautiful look to this. So Abundant Florals is the name of these papers, and let me bring them back in just so you get another look. They are 80-pound weight. And they are paper, they are not cardstock, because we like the lighter weight so that our cards and pages do not get too weighed down. Abundant Florals is available right now.